I've never voted out, and I will never until I die. Our Excellency, the Second Governor Migori, my friend and brother, Dr. Chilo, on behalf of the people of Kuria who are not here, majority of them are not here, but I know our party delegates and other members interested are here. We want to take this very little opportunity to welcome you to Migori. Kurians are not in Migori by accident. We are not here by design. We are here because God decided that we be in Migori. And we belong in Migori, and we shall belong in Migori. I have always said, those Kurians who talk of marginalization, they are marginalizing themselves in their minds. And if you want to marginalize yourself in your mind, continue marginalizing yourself. But Abed is in the mainstream. He is not being marginalized. I have broken barriers, and I will continue breaking barriers. Lastly, Baba, I want to report that I was your candidate for Kuria West 2022. The same style that they used to steal your votes is the same style that they used to steal me. So I am not worried. I have gone back to the drawing board. And I'm strong in that party. Thank you, asante sana.
Asante sana. Kwa pamne Abedi, tumpigie makofi ya Abedi. Mimi nikimalizia, sitaki kuita mwingine, namaliza tu alafu namualika baba. MCS chunga urumondo newe nufuayo kaun pinuchungo kama untie renu. Baba, members of the county assembly nitiere ka magiar your soldiers a grassroots. Gine jogo maumako wachni kani neno karungo liel rongonika. Uriri ne liel, uriri moro no lal. To uriri nitie ka Graham ka gali nitiere.